We have finally made it. We're staying in the North Tower, rooms 1107. This is how the outside of your room look. And when you go in, when you first come in, it is very nice in here. Very heavy door too. Nice floors. They need to redo the one that's in the Harrahs in Biloxi, because that one was stinky. This one is very nice. Look at the shower, an up-to-date shower. I'm loving this mirror. Oh, that mirror is giving life, baby. You have your private toilet with the pocket door. So you can easily do your door to close it for privacy. But it is very nice. Okay, you come out. You have a nice big mirror right here to check yourself out. This is what your girl got on today, baby. Yeah, she's nice. I decided to put on jeans because I didn't know what the weather was going to be like here. We went through 3 different weathers.
3 different times.
You got your closet, your ironing board, and your safe. Very nice. Look for it. Look at this room, baby. This thing is nice and big. Nice and big. It's very nice. Have a little seating area in front of the bed.
Oh boy, yeah, 875. That's pretty
You have your light. You have your plugs over there.
You do the bed, right?
Yeah. You have your pillows. Of course, they're gonna give you the short boys. Comes with a microwave and a refrigerator. Hey, a refrigerator. Coffee maker. Coffee. Ice containers. Nice big television. Drawers. The drawers are super deep. I need these in my house. Look how deep that is. Workstation. Have a nice couch and a table with a very nice chair. Very nice. On the side, we really don't have a view of much of anything here, but give you an idea of, we're in the Short Hotel. That's the new one over there. Look how big it is. Yeah, we're in the old one. That's the new one. It's very nice here. Look how big this room is. Very nice getaway. Very nice getaway, guys. Very nice. I am a Caesar card holder rewards member, so I did get a little discount on this room, but I'm giving you the long version to see how big it is. And I'm standing over here by the closet in the mirror. This thing is huge. Hi. Alrighty.